You don't need another side hustle. You need a system that works, whereby you don't have to be glued to your smartphone. Most people think that when they go online, they have to dance on TikTok, post 24/7, and build a brand before they even see a dollar. The truth is, that's a one-way ticket to burn out. And your bulls don't care about algorithms. I run my digital business in just 2 hours a day. No ads, no cold DMs, and best of all, no complicated tech. Just a step-by-step system with a done-for-you website and a daily routine that works, even if you are brand new. If you are tired of spinning your wheels, drop info in the comments and I'll show you the exact system I used to go from overwhelmed and broke to focused and earning daily.